Autonomous aerial vehicles are unmanned flying machines that can navigate and operate without human input. Unlike traditional drones or unmanned aerial vehicles that are remotely controlled, AAVs rely on onboard sensors, artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to make decisions and perform tasks autonomously. How do they work? AAVs are equipped with a variety of sensors, including LiDAR, radar, cameras, and GPS, which provide them with a 360-degree understanding of their surroundings. This data is then processed by onboard computers running AI algorithms that allow the AAV to perceive its environment, plan its route, and avoid obstacles. What are their applications? AAVs have a wide range of potential applications, including delivery. AAVs can be used to deliver packages, groceries, and even medical supplies quickly and efficiently, especially in remote or congested areas. Logistics and inspection. They can be used to inspect infrastructure, such as pipelines, power lines, and wind turbines, for damage or wear and tear. Zipline drones are pretty incredible, aren't they? There's quite a bit to unpack there, depending on what specifically you'd like to know. Here are some possibilities. General information. Function: deliver medical supplies, blood products, vaccines, and even consumer goods quickly and efficiently, especially in remote or hard-to-reach areas. Operation: autonomous flight using onboard sensors, AI, and machine learning. Launched from distribution centers and land with parachutes at designated spots. Impact: improving healthcare access, reducing delivery times, and saving lives in emergency situations. Specific models. Zipline Original, first model, primarily used for medical deliveries in Africa. Can carry up to 1.5 kilograms of cargo and fly up to 80 kilometers. Platform 2, P2 Zip, released in March 2023. Featuring increased payload capacity, 8 kilograms, extended range, 10 miles, and improved precision landing using a droid. Future models. Zipline is constantly innovating, with plans for larger drones and further range improvements. Full self-driving, FSD, capability was an advanced driver assistance feature rather than a fully autonomous system. Tesla has been working on developing autonomous driving technology, but full autonomy without driver supervision had not been achieved at that time. The FSD package includes features such as autopilot, which assists with tasks like lane centering, adaptive cruise control, self-parking, and navigating highway interchanges. However, it's important to note that even with FSD, drivers are required to remain attentive and keep their hands on the steering wheel, ready to take control at any moment. Tesla regularly updates its software and introduces new features, so it's possible that advancements or changes have occurred since my last update. For the most current information about Tesla's full self-driving capabilities and any new developments, I recommend checking the latest updates directly from Tesla or reliable news sources. Nuclear-powered sky hotel sounds like an incredibly innovative and ambitious concept. The idea of a floating or airborne hotel powered by nuclear energy could potentially offer unique experiences and sustainability benefits, but it would likely come with significant technological, safety, and regulatory challenges. Using nuclear power for such a project would require robust safety measures to ensure the security of the reactor and protection of the environment. Additionally, there would likely be strict regulations and international agreements governing the use of nuclear energy in such unconventional and high-risk environments. As of my last update, there hadn't been any widely publicized or confirmed plans for a nuclear-powered sky hotel, but the concept of utilizing nuclear energy for various purposes, including power generation for remote or mobile structures, has been explored in theoretical discussions. If this idea has gained traction or been further developed since then, I'd recommend checking recent news sources or official announcements for the most current information on any plans or advancements in this unique field. Joby Aviation is among the leading companies in the development of electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft designed for urban air transportation, commonly referred to as air taxis. These vehicles are aimed at revolutionizing short-distance travel within cities by utilizing electric propulsion and vertical takeoff capabilities. The Joby aircraft is a 5-seater eVTOL aircraft that employs multiple electric motors for propulsion, enabling vertical takeoff and landing while offering quiet and efficient operation. The design emphasizes reduced noise levels, which is crucial for urban environments, and it's intended to be eco-friendly due to its all-electric nature. Joby Aviation has been extensively testing and refining its aircraft design, working toward obtaining the necessary certifications and approvals for commercial operation. Collaborations with companies like Uber and Toyota have been part of their strategy to develop the infrastructure and operational aspects required for the successful deployment of air taxis. Hoverbikes are innovative vehicles that combine elements of motorcycles and drones, offering a thrilling and futuristic mode of transportation. These vehicles, as the name suggests, utilize technology akin to drones, featuring multiple rotors or fans that provide lift and propulsion to allow them to hover above the ground. Hoverbikes typically operate in a manner similar to drones, using electric motors or other propulsion systems to power the rotors. They can be designed with a seat for a rider or even for autonomous transportation, depending on the model and intended use. These vehicles have captured attention due to their futuristic appeal and potential applications in various industries, including recreational use, law enforcement, and even potential roles in transportation and logistics. As with any emerging technology, there are challenges to overcome, such as ensuring safety, stability, and regulatory compliance. Virgin Hyperloop, formerly known as Hyperloop One, is a transportation technology company focused on developing a futuristic mode of high-speed transportation known as the Hyperloop. This concept, proposed by Elon Musk in 2013, involves using vacuum tubes to transport pods or capsules at very high speeds, potentially exceeding the pace of traditional trains or even airplanes. Virgin Hyperloop aims to revolutionize transportation by creating a system where pods travel through low-pressure tubes at near-supersonic speeds using magnetic levitation and electric propulsion. This concept could potentially enable extremely fast and energy-efficient transportation between cities. The company has conducted various tests on their Hyperloop system, showcasing successful pod travel within their test tracks, demonstrating the technology's feasibility. Shanghai Transrapid Maglev is a high-speed magnetic levitation (Maglev) train system in Shanghai, China. It's one of the most prominent and commercially operational maglev train lines globally. The term Transrapid refers to the German-developed magnetic levitation train technology used in this system. The Shanghai Maglev train operates between Shanghai Pudong International Airport and Longyang Road in the eastern part of Shanghai, covering a distance of approximately 30 kilometers, 18.6 miles. The train can reach a maximum operational speed of 431 kilometers per hour, 267 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest commercial train services in the world. This maglev train uses magnetic levitation technology to float above the tracks, reducing friction and allowing for higher speeds compared to conventional trains. Ioniq 5 is an all-electric vehicle that offers advanced technology and design, but I don't have specific information about an Ioniq 5-based Robotaxi at that time. However, many automotive companies, including Hyundai and others, have been exploring the development of autonomous vehicles and robotaxis. These vehicles are intended for ride-hailing services without the need for a human driver, offering a potential future for convenient and efficient urban transportation. The idea of an Ioniq 5-based robotaxi would involve incorporating autonomous driving technology into the Ioniq 5 platform to create a self-driving vehicle suitable for ride-sharing or taxi services. This would likely involve equipping the vehicle with advanced sensors, cameras, LiDAR, radar, and a sophisticated artificial intelligence system to navigate and operate safely without human intervention. Automakers and tech companies are actively working on autonomous vehicle technology, but the deployment of fully autonomous robotaxis on a large scale is still undergoing rigorous testing and development due to safety, regulatory, and technological challenges. If there have been recent advancements or announcements regarding an Ioniq 5-based robotaxi since my last update, I'd recommend checking Hyundai's official statements or recent news sources for the most current information on this particular development. Nimbus One. It's a fascinating concept in the world of personal transportation, promising a sleek and sustainable way to navigate urban environments. To keep things safe and appropriate, let's explore some interesting aspects of the Nimbus One. 1. Design and functionality. Imagine a sleek, electric-powered vehicle that blends the agility of a motorcycle with the convenience of a personal cabin. That's the essence of the Nimbus One. Its compact size and zero-emissions operation make it ideal for navigating city streets and reducing traffic congestion. Some prototypes boast features like self-balancing technology and AI-powered assistance for a smooth and intuitive riding experience. Wireless Charging Electric Vehicle (EV) charging, also known as wireless power transfer (WPT) or inductive charging, is a technology that enables EVs to charge their batteries without physically plugging into a charging port. Instead, it utilizes magnetic fields to transfer power from a charging pad on the ground to a receiver pad on the vehicle, eliminating the need for cables and connectors. The process involves an electromagnetic field generated by a charging pad installed on the ground, and a receiving pad fitted on the EV's undercarriage. When the vehicle is parked over the charging pad, the electromagnetic field induces an electric current in the receiver pad, which charges the EV's battery. Several companies and researchers are actively working on developing and improving wireless EV charging technology. This technology offers convenience by simplifying the charging process, especially for electric vehicles in urban environments or in places where plugging in might be inconvenient. Boring loop system could be interpreted in different contexts based on the subject matter. Generally, the term might refer to transportation and urban planning. In some urban planning discussions, a boring loop system might relate to tunnels or underground transportation networks designed to alleviate surface traffic congestion. Elon Musk's Boring Company, for instance, aims to create underground transportation tunnels to reduce traffic by providing an alternate route for vehicles. Computer programming. In programming, a boring loop system might refer to a repetitive and uninteresting sequence of commands or code that performs routine tasks without much variation or complexity. It could indicate a monotonous or unexciting coding structure. Manufacturing or production. In manufacturing or industrial contexts, a boring loop system might describe a repetitive process or machinery loop that performs routine tasks continuously, lacking innovation or variability.